I finally look like something. I am headed to go see my cousin at the beauty shop. I just left my mom so she can meet get Alicia, because she's going to be over at my sister's house for the whole weekend. I just left from Chick-fil-A, got us some breakfast, and now I'm going to and meeting my graphic designer because I have some new shirts coming out for Little Toes. What else? I'm planning on, hopefully me and my husband can go to the movies to see Jumanji today. We needed a date. Tomorrow we're going to his class reunion, his 10-year class reunion, and Saturday we're going. Saturday is our anniversary, so we're going out of town. It's a surprise, so I don't know what's gonna happen. So I hope I dress accordingly for this surprise. Where we're going, he won't tell me. Shout out to my husband for filling up my tank so I wouldn't have to stop and get no gas in this cold weather. Here we were. I'm gonna just finish do the one that we was gonna do. What you gonna do with that one? She got some more here. She got bye, Bo. Bye. Come here, Pete. Bye, Pete. Say bye. Bye, little mom. So I just got home and my husband Carter's here and I'm like, where is he? And he's like, I have a gift for you when you get home if I'm not there. I go in and look, he bought me some Vans. So now we all have some. And I was gonna buy him these for our anniversary. We all have Vans now. Just pulled up to LA Crawfish to meet my friend. We're gonna have some snow crabs today for dinner because Alicia's not here, my husband is not here, my husband's out with his friends, and I'm hungry. I'm in the process of going to the store this morning. My battery is literally about to die. It's been such a gloomy week. Like, it's no sky, no sun in the sky. There's clouds everywhere. I have on my glasses because I look busted. But yeah, it's just been so gloomy and it's just been keeping me in. It's gloomy. I just want to stay in the house and literally stay in the bed, but it's like, no, you have to get things done. I'm obsessed with these, what's it, toffee candies, and I put it on my Snapchat. All my followers are like, you can buy it from Walmart in a big box, and I'm like, what? I didn't even know that because it comes with 4, and I'm like obsessed with these. They're so good. And for the 4, it's $1. But tomorrow's our anniversary. We're going out of town. Today, I wanted to take P's birthday pictures, but I'm not sure. Today is our anniversary and we're on our way out of town. My husband not telling me where we're going. You still not gonna tell me?
Nope.
We're at Raising Cane's right now, about to get something to eat before we head out of town.
At 10:34 in the morning.
Yes, it's early as hell.
1 second, my man.
The box, right? The 3 fingers with lemonade light ice, please.
All right, can I get the 3-finger combo?
We packed. It seemed like we packed for a week, but it's literally we're gonna be out there from today and
can
tomorrow. Come back
the
tomorrow.
combo?
Just one day, but
with
quick
no
getaway.
coleslaw, extra fries, with lemonade,
with no kids,
ice.
so I'm excited for it. And
and that's
I like
it.
my hair, my bangs.
Thank you.
Yesterday we went to my husband's 10-year anniversary for Hightower. I didn't get to vlog as much as I want. I didn't vlog at all, actually.
Nope.
Dang.
No.
But yeah, it was really fun for some people I didn't even really know. It was cute too.
How you doing?
They did a really good job
Both lemonades, 19.
decorating, hosting the event. I mean, just the overall vibe was cool. I thought it was gonna be ghetto because it's Hightower.
Chill out.
But it wasn't even that bad. It wasn't bad at all, actually. I got my blanket he got me ready. Got some fresh chicken. Oh, that looks so good.
Chicken, what you licking?
Yeah, and it's fresh as hell. About to go in and give me some sunflower seeds and some Skittles. I'm sad that we couldn't make it to church, especially, I think it's every year our anniversary. But I left my husband's shirt that my mother-in-law gave me every year on our anniversary. Because I love my husband. Few people who can say that they love their husband. It's me, a happy wife. And I appreciate him and I love him for that.
Body business, like yours, but you're renting. Waiting on love to the lawn. Yeah, longer than LeBron. Just waiting for my thumb like the fawns.
So we just got to our resort. I can say so far, I haven't been on the inside yet. It looks, my husband did a good job. He kept it a secret, first of all. He booked it by himself and he did a good job at doing it. I'm proud of him. So proud of him. He just went to go see if we can check in early because we got here a little bit early. From the looks of it, it's in a nice place. I've seen like the workout area. Like it just looked really homey, really cozy. Let me see if I can show y'all. Really cozy, really homey. I'm probably going to show y'all a little bit more when I get inside, but he did good, girl. Y'all did a good job, man. Like him. Look at the deer.
It's coming to us.
Oh my gosh.
They're friendly.
Hi, baby deer. Hi, baby deer.
Do you eat?
I think they're vegetarians. Where'd you throw it? Throw it again. Eat it. Oh, look at you. Oh.
You're gonna get left behind.
Eat it. Look at this light. It's everything. Oh, okay. Look at this view. This is gorgeous. Oh, wow. So pretty. So now I'm about to go tour the resort. I left my husband inside the hotel room while I take a peep. I'm such a tourist, I guess. It's so pretty. He did such a good job. Such a good job. This is so peaceful. Like, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. More of the lake. Hi.
How are you?
Good. Oh.
Happy New Year.
Thank you. They just brought us chocolate covered strawberries and 2 bottles of, what was this, wine or champagne, babe? I guess my husband's about to turn up by himself because I can't.
It's my first rodeo. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to bring that
Woo!
around. Ooh!
It's cold out here, but I wanted to show y'all. Ooh, it's freezing. This view. I don't know if y'all the camera is picking it up, but it's so pretty. That's a lake, like a boathouse over there. Ooh, so pretty. We don't have to go out because we're eating dinner inside the hotel today, so. Well, we're about to check out. It's been a gorgeous, gorgeous stay. Bye to this view. That is so gorgeous. I don't know if I can see, like, oh, it's so gorgeous. We're trying to see if we can get in the punch zone so we can jump before we go. This is the heated pool. That's why you see smoke coming out of it. Oh, babe, can you take a picture of me over here? Over there. Look at the ice on the table. I hope we can come back when it's like warmer. Even bring the kids. Oh, nice. Look at the play area for the kids. Oh my gosh.
Tell all your family.
Table 620. It's cold, so they locked it down. Let me see.
I'm just hoping.